So here's an interesting thing. I planted potatoes a little while ago and I didn't think anything was happening, and suddenly they've come up. But what is really interesting is the pots that I've stuck a copper pipe in have come up much bigger, much stronger already than the ones that didn't have a copper pipe in. Have a look. So this one has just come up and there's no copper pipe in it. It's looking a bit sorry, but it's coming through. It's good. Nothing's come out of this pot. But look at this copper pipe. You can see there's a bit of pipe I just chucked in there, and that's looking really strong and healthy. Here's another one. Bit of copper pipe in there, really strong and healthy. Bit of copper pipe, really strong and healthy. Same again here. Same again. Well, it's a little bit slower, but it's, you know, the leaves are looking very vibrant. This one's going real gangbusters. And look, no copper pipe, and it's just barely coming through. Isn't that interesting? So I think copper antennas and copper pipe is certainly making the difference with what's coming up. But we'll keep you posted on this. So there you go. Nothing in there. Not a great deal happening in there. So I am very excited about this.